In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Dropbox with Outlook. Open your web browser and open the Microsoft App Source website. Search for Dropbox for Outlook. On the Dropbox for Outlook page, look for the Get It Now option. This button initiates the installation process. You will be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Input your username and password associated with your Microsoft account. After signing in, you might see a confirmation or overview page. Look for Add and then click Add to move forward. Ensure the correct email account is selected for the add-on installation. After the previous step, you will be redirected to Outlook account. You should see an option to install the add-on. Click on it and then wait for the installation to complete. Click OK to save the changes, and you have successfully connected Dropbox to your Outlook. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.